In this video, I will show you how to group and ungroup objects on Repsketch. To group your design objects, simply select them by holding onto your Shift key and individually clicking on each object. You can also select your objects by dragging your mouse through them. Once done, use this group option at the bottom and there you have it. You can now position your grouped objects anywhere you like. To rearrange your groups, use these options on the side menu to bring them to the top or bottom. To ungroup the objects, simply select them and use the same option located at the bottom here. At last, to edit any group of objects, simply select one and click on this Edit Group option below. All objects of a selected group will be highlighted for you to easily edit. To learn more about how to edit an object, watch our video on how to create and edit paths.